So today we're hosting a summer camp for high school students, and it's on artificial intelligence. Well, we know everyone's using AI, they're dabbling it, some are using it extensively, others are just starting to peel back some of the layers. So one of our strategic priorities of the university is to connect more with K through 12 education.
I want to deepen my skills with AI. I want to incorporate it into my software engineering job, and it's a growing industry.
I'm really interested in AI, and I kind of want to build my own AI model. So I've come here to learn more about what AI is.
Another piece of this is that AI literacy is a strategic priority for the Soin College of Business. So we care deeply about this and the democratization of AI and ensuring that we're helping to upskill and reskill the community, not only our current students, future students, but all in this important aspect of using technology.
I've learned that there are different AIs. I've learned how different AIs can be used in different applications such as healthcare and agriculture and things like that.
Because the landscape for AI is changing so quickly, this is, I know in terms of what I'm talking about, there's a lot of new stuff versus last year, and so I think the content of this camp is probably going to evolve pretty rapidly over time.